Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and happy Halloween. You guys already know I love fall, so I love Halloween as well. And I figured since it's Halloween, I would share with you guys a cute little favor idea. So if you guys like Halloween, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So for this recipe, I am actually reusing a recipe that I've shared with you guys last year. It is the date snowball that I shared during my winter favor video. And all I'm doing is just decorating it a little bit differently than what I showed you previously. But I will go ahead and in the description box, I will link the recipe for these date snowballs. And also I will go ahead and link the video where I made these. So basically I'm going to start off with the point where I created the balls, and inside there just really is dates, almond, and some cocoa powder, and that's really it. I'm going to be dipping it in white chocolate, so that is what I'm doing first off. And then I just take some chocolate chips. I use some semi-sweet chocolate chips to create a eyeball in the middle, so that is the first step. And then I just pop it in the fridge for at least an hour or two to really let that chocolate settle. All right, so now that your chocolate is completely settled and it is hard, I'm going to be decorating it with some red frosting that I bought and creating some veins. And this makes it just look more like eyeballs more than anything else. And really that is it. I just went ahead, put it on a decorative platter, a little bit of a Halloween platter that I have, and had it on my dessert table for Halloween. It's such a simple recipe and it comes together so quickly, but it's absolutely adorable. Everyone that was having it loved how it looked, and also it's a healthier option. And you gotta love desserts that are healthier and look this good. All right, there you guys go. That is your simple Halloween favor idea that is not too late to make today. And you can bag these up, give it to your friends and family, and they would absolutely love it. So if you guys like Halloween videos and favor ideas, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.